How do you choose the right stock to invest in a stock market with over 5,000 companies listed? How do you find the right stock without limiting yourself to the handful of names every retail investor already know or is already investing in? So today I want to show you a way to analyze any stock in just one click. We are looking at how to analyze the offshore stocks. So the most important part of investing in the stock market is usually choosing the right stock to invest in. And choosing the right stock means going through a company's financial reports to just find out how valuable a company is, and to also find out whether you're overpaying or underpaying for this particular stock that you're investing in, and most importantly, understanding whether the company is worth investing in. So in our last video, we did how to analyze the Nairobi Securities Exchange stocks, and you guys, you loved that video. We did the analysis through TradingView, but analyzing the NSE, that is Nairobi Securities Exchange, is very easy because we only have around 69 companies listed, and when you're dealing with a small market, then it's very easy to do that. But how do you go about looking for a company to invest in when there are too many companies out there in the offshore market? Are you supposed to go through the financial reports of all the listed companies, or how do you filter which stock to invest in? And for context, there are approximately between 5,600 and 6,000 unique companies listed on major US stock exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ. That is as of early 2026. This is US alone. We have not looked at China, UK, and also other regions. Now, with all this, how do you find the right company with growth potential? If you have ever tried researching a stock properly, you know the drill, you know the process, right? You open like 10 tabs in your browser, you're checking the filings, you check the rumors, you check the news, you check the sentiments, and sometimes you even turn to ChatGPT or even Gemini. At the end of the day, you're so tired and you're not even sure whether to invest in the stock that you're analyzing or not. And guys, I have good news, and I love being in this space because I get to learn about platforms that makes this work easier for us. And today I would like us to go through a platform called DeepValue. Now, I want us to assess this platform together. We see if it's something that we can use to analyze our offshore stocks, okay? So to start, we are going to go to our browsers and we are going to search for deepvalue.tech. Okay, and you'll need to sign up for this, and signing up is free, so you can go ahead and sign up because I want us to go through these together. Okay, then we are going to type a few ticker symbols of different companies, and I am interested for this part, I am interested with large companies we know, okay? And we are going to look at Google, and then we're also going to look at Nvidia. These are companies we all know very well, right? And these are big market cap companies. Then we are going to click on search. And when you hit search, you get a full report of all these companies that you had indicated there. And that's it. No charts, no prompt engineering, and you get institutional grade reports in one click. So let us go through what this report actually includes. So here we have structured sections. First, we have the company snapshot. Then we also have the market sentiment over time. We also have insider trading activities. And if you want the full company reports, you can just click here and you're going to get the full report. The full report also includes citations, and every claim links back to the source. So if you want to verify the information, you can always go back to the source of the link, all right? And I think this is a very big plus for me. And if you're looking for financial tables, they have live financial tables, and this means that this information is up to date. So you can click here, and the best part of this is they have included the ratios to determine if a company is worth buying. So basically, this is the full structured report of these companies. This is not conversational output like you would get in the OpenAI, and I would like to say this clearly. AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini or any other OpenAI that you're using are very powerful. I use them a lot. They are great for brainstorming and summaries. But when it comes to investing or researching investments, structure matters. When you're using ChatGPT, you steal the analyst, you structure the prompt, you upload the files, you verify the sources, and we have all been there. I know most of us have tried analyzing stock using ChatGPT. I have. And now I'm introducing this to you. The structure and the framework are already built. The sections are defined and the citations are already linked. That being said, I know analyzing companies like Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, or even Meta is very easy, or it's not hard, because there is information everywhere and everyone is talking about these companies. The real test is this: what happens when we're analyzing a company nobody is talking about? Let's try a smaller company with limited analyst coverage. We see how that compares with this one, or how we can be able to get the information compared to getting information for large market cap companies. For this, we are going to try a company like Transcat. I know not many of us have heard about this company, so that is what we're going to look at right now, okay? So I'm going to type here Transcat Inc., and then I'm going to click on research. Look at consistent. So as you can see, it doesn't matter whether it's a $1 trillion company or a small cap company. The analytical framework here is very consistent, and the same analytical depth for obscure micro cap companies as for global mega cap companies. Now, there is one additional feature that I would like us to go through that I think is very, very valuable for us. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I know all of us would like to find value before everyone else does. I would like to be early for once in a particular stock that has growth potential, and I join it early before everyone else does. And there is actually a way to do that with DeepValue. Now, at the beginning, I mentioned that we have over 5,000 companies listed in US alone. Most of these companies, you don't know them or you have never heard about them. And this is where you find small cap companies with great value potential. We call them penny stocks, but with value. Now, here is where the real challenge is. We have said that we have these over 5,000 companies in the US market alone, and most investors are only speaking or researching the ones that everyone else know. But the real alpha returns, they don't come from researching what everyone else already knows. It comes from systematically discovering ideas before they become popular. Identifying a business with strong fundamentals before everyone else that's speaking about it. Think about of course we knew when AI came into play, but how do you know which companies are in the AI sector? If you already know that AI is going to do very well in the future, how do you identify which companies to invest in the AI sector? And imagine if you went in early, you went in early before the boom. You'd have made a lot of money. So that is what we are talking about. And to do this, we are going to click on the Discover feature. And this is where DeepValue becomes a systematic idea generation tool. This is a structured discovery. You're not guessing what to research. You're systematically surfacing companies that fit your criteria. Okay, so we have different categories or different criterias, like you have buy, hold, sell, even better, by sector. Let's say we are looking for companies in the AI sector. You just search companies based on that. Okay, if you're looking for companies in clean energy, that is where you focus on. So all you need to do is to find which sector is doing well or which sector has great future potential, and that is what you search for, and you look for company in that particular sector. And then from there, you just go to that particular company and you look at the report, the structured report, for you to analyze whether it's a good company to invest in. All right. Once you get the number of the companies, you can go ahead now to do deep research now on the specific companies, because you have a list of companies you're interested in. And you can see now, if your goal is long-term investing, you can find something for that. If your goal is speculation, or you're looking for companies that are going to do well in the next, let's say, 2 to 6 months, you can also go for that as well. Now, before we proceed, I have a question for you. If you are to analyze just a single company that you have been eyeing, you want to know how it is going to perform, you want to know whether it has a future, what stock would that be? Let me know in the comment section. Now, I know you're all asking yourself, do you pay for this? Yes, this is a paid service, but you generate your first report for free. If you're happy with the results, then you can go ahead and pay. And to be honest, I have found that for you to get the right information, sometimes you have to pay for it. It saves you a lot of time, and also it saves you a lot of money, because it means that you're going to be investing or putting your hard-earned cash in the right stock. Because when it comes to investing in stock, that is one of the major things that you need to do. Time is also capital, and serious investors usually protect time. So after the first reports, if the structure and depth makes sense to you, then it may be worth upgrading. So I would like you to go and try it out and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. So if you really want to try it out, I will leave the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. You can generate your first report for the companies that you feel you really need want to, do a background check on them. And this, you don't need to pay anything. So you can go ahead, grab the link and do your analysis, and then let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Think to invest in the Kenyan stock market, that is Nairobi Securities Exchange. Here is a video that we did on how to analyze stocks in Nairobi Securities Exchange. You can take a look and see whether it's something that is going to interest you. Happy investing. See you in the next video, and let me know whether you like more platforms like this, so that we continue learning on different platforms and see how they operate. Happy investing. See you in our next video. It's bye for now.